When is the right time to trademark your brand? If you're asking yourself this question, it means you see potential or actual value in your brand. You wouldn't be thinking of protecting something that is and always will be worthless, right? And if that's the case, if you think your brand is or can become a valuable asset for your business, then I hate to bring it to you, but you're already behind on your schedule. You should have already done it by now. If not, it might not be too late to get the process started right away. I'm not saying you have to do it with me and my company, Trademark Factory, although you'd be crazy not to. What I am saying is that if you see potential in your brand, why spend a minute of your life or a dollar out of your pocket building a brand you don't own? The right time to file your trademark has nothing to do with how long you've been in business, how many customers you have, or how much money you're making. We've helped clients protect brands for their 8-figure businesses, 7-figure businesses, 6-figure businesses, 5-figure businesses, and 0-figure businesses that were nothing more than a dream. To paraphrase Henry Ford, whether you think your brand is worth protecting or it's not, either way, you're right. You can file your trademark before you have an actual product or an actual service under your brand. All you need is a belief that the brand you're building can potentially be worth something. But not everyone sees what you see. They would have you wait until your idea has made you $1 million first. What if it flops, right? You would have wasted your money trademarking it, they say. But you know better. You'd rather regret taking action and failing than not even trying. And you're right. And more importantly, you are in a great company. Keep watching this video for some mind-blowing statistics.
Get it trademarked with Trademark Factory.
Each of the triumphant stories I'm going to share with you in a second could be a video on their own merits. But when you hear them all at once, it shows you the way success works. Here's Netflix. Launched in April of 1998. 4 years after their launch, in 2002, they had a really sophisticated website that looked like this. Once again, they launched in April of 1998. But 5 months before that, in December of 1997, they filed their first trademark application. Nobody took them seriously for years, and certainly not in 1997. But for whatever reason, they took themselves seriously enough to go ahead and trademark their brand. This worked out to be a pretty good investment for them now that the brand is valued at over $20 billion. And this is Nike. Originally started as Blue Ribbon Sports in 1964. They came up with their current name, Nike, in May of 1971. And by January of 1972, they have filed their trademark applications for the Nike name and the swoosh. Anyone here likes bacon cheeseburgers? Here's Wendy's. Launched in November of 1969. Less than 2 months later, in January of 1970, they filed their first trademark application. Under Armour, launched in September of 1996 by Kevin Plank, but only after he first filed his trademark in August of the same year. Remember the Old Spice commercials? They actually started in August of 1936, and in less than a month, they filed their first trademark application to protect the brand that is still massively valuable today, all these years later. And of course, Amazon. Jeff Bezos quickly abandoned the original name of the company, Cadabra, and incorporated his business under the current name in July of 1995. He filed the first of thousands of trademarks that Amazon owns today in October of 1995, just a few short months after the incorporation, and long before anyone could have ever predicted how huge Amazon would become in the next 2 decades. Fabletics, launched by Kate Hudson in September of 2013. She filed her first trademark 9 months earlier, in December of 2012. It's like her trademark application was a baby, right? Same 9 months before conception and birth. P90X launched in February of 2003, and their trademark was filed shortly after, in March of the same year. Didn't take them too long to realize that the greatest asset they had was not the training itself, but the brand that they were creating. So they took the right steps to trademark it before anyone else did. The great Beyoncé released her debut album, Dangerously in Love, in June of 2003. That was 3 years after she filed an application to trademark her name back in October of 2000. I guess back in 2000, she knew she might make a career singing and maybe even sell some merch, right? I can go on and on with these examples of entrepreneurs who filed their first trademarks long before they became successful with their businesses. To them, it wasn't a question of whether they could afford trademarking services back in the day. It's that they knew that they couldn't afford to leave their brands they were about to build unprotected. They knew they couldn't afford not to trademark their brands. So when should you trademark your brand? Well, as soon as you realize that the brand you're building is something you would like to own if your business becomes a success. I know that it could be a big if, but that's what entrepreneurship is all about. Who dares wins. In a way, trademarking is like a lottery, except with trademarks and your business, you have a lot more control over the outcome and your odds are much better. Seriously, where else can you turn an investment of a couple of $1,000s into an asset worth billions of dollars in just a few short years? But you gotta buy a ticket to win. Trademarking your brand is your ticket. It's just a part of the game. By the time you build a successful business, someone will have trademarked your brand. It could be you, or it could be somebody else. You are already spending time, money, and energy building your brand. Don't leave your lucky ticket for someone else to pick up and use against you. Trademark your brand today. Oh, and one last thing. Here at Trademark Factory, we can't promise that you're going to build a successful business. We can't promise that your brand will be worth billions of dollars. What we can guarantee is that we can get your brand trademarked from start to finish for one fixed fee, or you get a full refund. This way, you get to trademark your brand without wasting time and money on trademarks that don't go through. If you believe you're building what will become a successful brand, click the link in the description below and book your free call with one of our strategy advisors. With trademarks, it's never too early, but often too late. Book your call right now.
Get a trademark.